There's a moment every summer when the garden teaches you something profound. That midsummer feeling is hard to describe. My mind tells me that my garden is a list of chores. My heart knows the garden is a sanctuary. The mind is the master builder, always trying to keep us busy, inventing projects for us to do. Busy work. Making things better, tidier. But the heart has a different song if only we can listen to it and hear it. The heart is where creation comes from. This is the lovely time of year when all those projects we chased after during the first half of the year. You know, what to plant? Where are the gaps that need filling? What landscaping would make this space better? Which plants should be moved because they are not thriving where they are, etc., etc. All those projects come to fruition. The garden heaving with flowers, first harvests, lush overgrown foliage. The mind says, deadhead those roses, do this, do that. But my heart sees butterflies still feeding on the faded blooms. The heart says, take a rest. Just sit and breathe it all in. Enjoy it. Listen. That's the midsummer feeling I'm talking about. This is my favorite part of gardens and gardening. I've had my fingers in the soil, digging, planting, and now the true harvest is finally here. This is when the garden, nature, pays you back for all of those efforts. The abundance of foliage, the flowers, the scent of roses and lavender. The bees and butterflies are busily working. It's their time to work, and my time to sit back and enjoy it. The peace and quiet of mornings, listening to the dawn chorus of blackbirds, goldfinches and wrens singing is as refreshing as any beach holiday from the hustle and the bustle, the should-dos and the must-dos of life. Meditating, breathing it all in, a moment to refresh and enjoy it. Let it help you hear your heart's song. So this week, I'm challenging both of us. Find 5 minutes to just sit in your garden, by a single plant on the balcony, or even in a park, and just listen to what your heart has to say. What is your garden telling you today? Is it whispering a to-do list or singing summer's song? I'd love to know.